Yo, what is up guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I want to talk about the new feature that TikTok is rolling out, the live subscriptions feature. Now if you're familiar with Twitch, you'll know that you can subscribe to your favorite Twitch streamers and then pay a monthly fee and enjoy some benefits with that. Now this is going to be the same thing but on TikTok, and you're going to be able to, you can see here, you may be able to get a subscriber only chat, personalized emotes, badges, and more, similar to the rival sites such as Twitch. So this is good for viewers that want to support their favorite creators, as well as it's good for the creators that they can earn some extra revenue from their TikTok live streams. Now the most important thing to take away from this video is that the feature isn't rolled out completely worldwide just yet. You can see it's only available to a limited number of users at the moment, but you can expect this to be rolled out worldwide in the next couple of months or so, maybe even weeks. We don't even know the exact time frame, and the cost of how much it's going to cost you to subscribe to your favorite creator is unknown as well. But some people have been saying that it's going to be similar to Twitch's pricing of $4.99 per month. So you can expect a payment of between $4 and $5 per month. In my opinion, I think that would be good. And Twitch taking 30%, so TikTok will also obviously take a certain percentage of that. So if you're a creator, just take that into consideration, and it won't make much difference for you if you are just a subscriber. So that's the new update. I will leave this article linked up in the description down below. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.